Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the versatile 3x3 folding gazebo with 4 sides. Perfect for your garden, terrace, or camping adventures. This pop-up gazebo is incredibly easy to set up, thanks to its innovative pop-up system, allowing 1 or 2 people to assemble and disassemble it in just minutes without any tools. Crafted from high-performance 210D polyester with a PVC coating, the roof is both waterproof and UV resistant, ensuring you stay protected from the elements. With a 3-way height adjustment ranging from 72 to 78 inches, you can customize the height to suit your needs. The sturdy frame is made from powder-coated metal tubes, offering rust resistance and durability, while the included pegs and ropes provide extra stability. This practical design features 4 detachable side panels, including 2 with windows and 2 with zippers, allowing you to adapt the gazebo for different occasions. Whether you're hosting a garden party or seeking shade at the beach, this folding gazebo is your go-to solution for outdoor comfort and protection. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.